Ever wondered how to master Petrel RE quickly and efficiently? Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. Welcome to the ultimate guide to unlocking the secrets of Petrel RE, where you'll learn essential techniques, workflows, and data visualization skills that will empower you on your journey. Firstly, it's important to familiarize yourself with the Petrel RE interface. Don't be overwhelmed by the array of options and buttons. Each one has a unique function that can help you manipulate and analyze your data. Spend some time exploring the interface, clicking on different options and seeing what they do. You won't break anything, promise. Next, we dive into importing data into Petrel RE. This might seem like a simple task, but understanding the correct formats and methods of importing data can save you hours of frustration down the line. Remember, Petrel RE supports a wide range of data types, so don't be afraid to experiment with different data sets. Once you have your data in Petrel RE, the real fun begins. Now you can start visualizing and interpreting your data. Petrel RE offers a variety of visualization options, from simple 2D plots to complex 3D models. Choose the one that best helps you understand your data. And what about analysis? Petrel RE provides a suite of analytical tools that can help you glean insights from your data. Whether you're looking to perform a simple trend analysis or a complex multivariate regression, Petrel RE has you covered. But remember, data analysis is as much an art as it is a science. It requires patience, creativity, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Always question your results and don't be afraid to try different approaches. Finally, we'll look at exporting your results. Whether you're presenting your findings to a team or publishing them in a scientific journal, Petrel RE makes it easy to share your work with others. So in summary, mastering Petrel RE involves getting to know the interface, understanding how to import and export data, visualizing your data in meaningful ways, and leveraging the powerful analytical tools at your disposal. And most importantly, it requires a curious mind and a willingness to experiment. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Petrel RE expert. So why wait? Dive in and start exploring the fascinating world of Petrel RE. It's not as intimidating as it may seem, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your Petrel RE journey today, and who knows where it will take you tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in,